Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves a bold lip, but struggles to find a lipstick that not only delivers color, but also nourishes and feels comfortable, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about Smashbox Be Legendary Prime and Plush lipstick in the shade Bawse, a deep red that promises both stunning color payoff and a nourishing formula. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to Beautyistic and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. You don't want to miss out on more honest insights like this one, so let's get into it. Smashbox is known for high-performance products, and this lipstick is no exception. It's a prime and plush hybrid, meaning it combines the benefits of a primer with the richness of a lipstick. What makes it stand out, though, is the infusion of peptides, ceramides, and moisture-boosting ingredients, making it not just a color statement, but a skincare treatment for your lips. The formula boasts a satin finish, so you get that smooth, velvety texture without the heavy feeling. It glides on effortlessly, which is key when you're applying a bold shade like this. The Bawse color is a stunning deep red, perfect for adding a touch of drama to any look, but it's also versatile enough for day-to-day wear. Now, let's talk real-world experience. I applied this lipstick in the morning and wore it throughout the day. The first thing I noticed was how smooth it went on. It didn't skip or tug on my lips, which is something I'm always mindful of with deeper shades. It also didn't feel drying, which can sometimes happen with long-wear lipsticks. Instead, I felt like it gave my lips a boost of moisture, thanks to the ceramides. I've worn this through meetings, coffee breaks, and even lunch, and I can tell you, it stays pretty put. I wouldn't call it bulletproof, but it definitely lasts longer than other satin lipsticks I've tried. I did have to do a little touch-up after lunch, but the color still looked fresh, and my lips felt comfortable. Now, as with every product, there are pros and cons. The pros? It's a rich moisturizing formula that feels good on the lips. The pigment is bold but buildable, and the satin finish gives it a polished, non-drying look. Plus, the peptides and ceramides do a nice job of keeping your lips nourished throughout the day. The cons? For some, the price might be a little high for a lipstick, especially when there are other options with similar color payoffs. Also, as much as it lasts, it could be more transfer resistant, so if you're kissing or drinking, expect to reapply after a while. Let's talk value for money. At its price point, Smashbox Be Legendary Prime and Plush lipstick is a premium product, and it definitely feels like one. The formula isn't just about color. It's about keeping your lips hydrated and smooth. It's the kind of product you'd invest in if you're looking for a statement lip that also cares for your lips throughout the day. When comparing this to other lipsticks in a similar range, it holds its own in terms of quality. Many lipsticks can deliver the color, but this one takes it a step further with added skincare benefits, which sets it apart from other options that might just focus on pigment. As far as build quality goes, the packaging feels sturdy and sleek. Nothing flimsy here. The lipstick itself doesn't break easily, and the shape of the bullet is nice for precision, which is important when applying a bold red. Now, a quick note on customer support. I haven't had any personal issues with customer service for Smashbox, but the brand is known for its good reputation when it comes to customer care, so you can expect solid support if anything goes wrong. And if you're looking for a similar product, but at a lower price point, there are options out there, but none that quite capture the balance of nourishment and color like this one. Some may come close in terms of color intensity, but if you're looking for a formula that treats your lips while you wear it, Smashbox stands out. To wrap up, this lipstick does live up to its claims. It provides intense color, long-lasting moisture, and a smooth satin finish. If you're someone who wants a deep red that's comfortable to wear all day, this is a solid pick. It's perfect for those who want the benefits of a skincare-infused lipstick without compromising on color payoff. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in trying Smashbox Be Legendary Prime and Plush lipstick, you can find the link to purchase in the comments or description box. And if you've tried it already, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.